question 15 is about changes in kinetic energy. So we know that anything that moves will have kinetic energy, and we need to think about their movement and the bunching of particles. So this is your year 9 states of matter. It's usually the first topic in a year 9 syllabus for the combined science. And you heat this solid through 5 degrees Celsius, and then there is a change in state to become a liquid. So if I just draw a heating curve is basically how temperature would change as time progresses. So what I'm doing is I'm continuously heating it, and then suddenly the temperature will become constant. So this is a constant temperature because the temperature is not changing. The English term for it is called constant. So this is what you call the melting point. Melting point is a temperature for which melting happens, solid going to liquid, and then once you finish melting, then it will become gas again. Actually, it will become liquid. So what we're saying is this first bit which I've highlighted in green, that is actually solid. So that is solid, and then at the very end of the melting, what you have there is you will have liquid, because before melting you are solid, after melting you become a liquid. So what is happening from that moment on is, as I go up that way, I absorb heat, and that is why the temperature is going upwards. Nope, I don't want that. Actually, I just want the thing there to move up a little bit there. Okay, so I absorb heat, therefore energy increases, the kinetic energy increases as temperature increases. That means I move faster. So I don't lose kinetic energy. A is wrong. I gain kinetic energy. That is correct. As I gain kinetic energy, my liquid particle will move faster than my solid particle. So I move about rapidly, yes. Faster. Move around, yes. Slow down, nope, because I move faster. So I'm left to B and C, which at least give me a better chance if I read through the option one by one. And then obviously, what's the difference between solid and liquid in terms of bunching? So here it says remain bunched together. Here it says fill up the available space. If you think about water in a water bottle, you know that what's the difference between solid and liquid is that solid particles are tightly packed. So this is solid. We talk about tightly packed. So this is how they are bunched together. They are tightly packed, but you have a bit more space in between for liquid, and that is why liquid particles can do this thing called sliding past each other. And as a result of that, liquid can flow. Liquid will take up the shape of a container. Just like if you pour water into a water container of different shape, it can fill up the available space. They are pretty close, but they are not tightly packed, not like solid. So obviously the answer there is B.